This video is all about some useful Hiligaynon phrases. The first one is kamusta ka na? Kamusta ka na or kumusta ka na, like como está in Spanish, and similar with kamusta or kumusta in Tagalog. Kamusta ka na? How have you been or how are you? Or just the word kamusta means hi, hello, or how are you? Kamusta ka na or kamusta, that means how have you been. Kamusta? Kamusta ka na? To answer the greeting or the question, kamusta ka na, you can respond with maayo man ako. I'm fine. When we say maayo, that means good or fine. Maayo man ako. Kamusta ka na or kumusta ka na, maayo man or maayo man ako. Aside from saying maayo man ako, you can also respond with amo man gihapon. Amo man gihapon. It means just the same, nothing changed. Amo man gihapon or amo man sa gihapon. To say good morning in Hiligaynon, that would be maayong aga. Maayong aga. When we say maayo, that means good or fine or okay. Maayong aga, so good morning in English. Maayong aga. And to respond to the greeting, maayong aga, you can say maayong aga man. Maayong aga man. So as you have noticed, we added the word man. So the word man in Hiligaynon means to or also. Maayong aga man. Maayong aga. Maayong aga man. The next one is how to greet good noon. So good noon in Hiligaynon is maayong udto. So udto, that means noon. So maayong udto, it means good noon. Maayong udto. Maayong udto. And to reply to a maayong udto, to reply to the greeting maayong udto, same template or same format like with the previous one earlier, you'll just have to use or add the word man. Maayong udto man. It means good noon too or good noon also. Maayong udto man. Maayong udto. Maayong udto man. The next one is maayong hapon. When we say maayong hapon, that means good afternoon. Hapon is afternoon. So it's similar with Tagalog. Hapon is also afternoon. So maayong hapon, it means good afternoon. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon. And to reply to a maayong hapon, to reply to the greeting maayong hapon, you respond with maayong hapon man. Maayong hapon man or maayong hapon man sa imo. Sa imo is to you. So, maayong hapon man sa imo means good afternoon to you too. Or good afternoon to you also. Maayong hapon man, maayong hapon man sa imo. To say good evening in Hiligaynon is maayong gabi. Gabi. In Tagalog, it's gabi, and in Hiligaynon, it's gabi. Maayong gabi, maayong gabi. And you can also add the name of the person at the end. So like if you're greeting your Tita Maria, so you can say, maayong gabi, Tita Maria, or maayong gabi, Tito Ben, something like that. Maayong gabi, maayong gabi. To respond to the greeting maayong gabi, you'll just have to add the word man after the greeting, like with other examples that we've had earlier. Maayong gabi man, maayong gabi man Pedro, maayong gabi man Clara. Like if you want to make it more personal and add the name of the person who greets you. So maayong gabi man Pedro, maayong gabi man Clara, maayong gabi, maayong gabi man, maayong gabi man. Next one is maayong adlaw. So when we say maayong adlaw, that means good day. Adlaw refers to both the sun and the day. So maayong adlaw means good day in English. Maayong adlaw, maayong adlaw, maayong adlaw manang, maayong adlaw manong. And to respond to the greeting maayong adlaw, it's still the same. Just add the word man at the end or after the greeting. Maayong adlaw man, maayong adlaw man Billy, maayong adlaw man Clara. That means good day to you too, or good day to you also Billy, or good day to you also Clara. Maayong adlaw man. To say take care in Hiligaynon, that's halong. The word gid means really. In English, really, and it somehow adds emotion or feeling to the sentence, halong gid. It means take care, like really take care. To say I'm really sorry is pasensya gid. Pasensya is like sorry, pasensya, but to intensify, like the emotion or the emotion that you convey, you can add the word gid, so pasensya gid. I'm really sorry. Pasensya gid. The next one is tagpila ini or tagpila ina. So tagpila ini or tagpila ina, in English, that is how much is this or how much is that. When we say ini, that is this in English, and ina is that. Tagpila ini, how much is this? Tagpila ina, how much is that? Tagpila ini, tagpila ina. Hasta sa sunod naton nga pagkitaay. Hasta sa sunod naton nga pagkitaay. That means until next time we meet. Hasta sa sunod naton nga pagkitaay. To say I'm really happy to know you or I'm glad to know you, that would be nalipay gid ako nga makilala ka. Nalipay gid ako nga makilala ka. Nalipay gid ako nga makilala ka. To say, nalipay gid ako nga makita ka. When we say kita, that means to see. So, I'm really happy to see you. Nalipay gid ako nga makita ka. Nalipay gid ako nga makita ka. Next one is nahidlaw gid ako sa imo. Nahidlaw gid ako sa imo. That means I really miss you. Nahidlaw gid ako sa imo. To say, do you speak English? Do you speak English? That is, makahambal ka sang Ingles. Makahambal ka sang Ingles. Makahambal ka sang Ingles. And to say, do you understand English? To say, do you understand English? That is, makaintindi ka sang Ingles. Makaintindi ka sang English. English. Makaintindi ka sang Ingles. Can you understand English or do you understand English? To say thank you in Tagalog, and of course to say thank you in Tagalog, that is salamat. Salamat. Also in Hiligaynon, we use the word salamat, but we add the word gid. Salamat gid. That means thank you, really. Or I really thank you. Salamat gid. In English, you say thank you very much. Thank you very much. And in Tagalog, you say maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. While in Hiligaynon, we say madamo gid nga salamat. When we say madamo, that means many in English. Madamo gid nga salamat is thank you very much. Madamo gid nga salamat. Madamo gid nga salamat. You can also use the word duro, but it's more of garaya. Duro gid nga salamat, or thank you very much. Duro gid nga salamat, madamo gid nga salamat. And that's all for this video, which is all about some useful Hiligaynon phrases. If you learned something new, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.